Another snowstorm in New Jersey. This one like a sudden one. The forecast was no snow, and all of a sudden, about, I would say, 4 inches, maybe 5 inches, and it was coming down really, really good. Now I'm driving the Tesla Model Y Juniper 2026. This is the dual motor. If you live in a cold state where you get this, snow, this is what you want to drive, the dual motor. Now I do have a okay, let's not hit this beautiful little puppy. Very cute. I did drive in a snowstorm in my single motor Tesla Model Y, and it did very, very well. So, you know, the plows are out there, so the main roads are not going to be that bad. But about 2 hours ago, my wife and I went on some errands, and all of a sudden it was coming down. Oh my God, it was coming down. There was no plows, everything was covered and all that. And driving this Model Y dual motor is really, you know, I don't want to exaggerate, but it's really so much safer than anything else. I'm going to drive to the mountains now. I am in the mountains. I'm going to go to higher mountains. I'm going to go to some party. But I'm telling you guys, if you live in cold states when you get snow, this is what you want. The electric motors, the 2 motors front and back, the traction of the car. I mean, I'm driving on all-season tires, and I'm driving on FSD. It's very wet and very cold. But what I'm telling you is that this is the car you want. The electric cars are so much better in the snow. And I drove Ford Explorers, and I drove any car that you can think of in the snow. So as you can see, the main road is salted and it's plowed, so it's not like a big challenge. But I drove before, and I drove like in a major store with the other car, and it did so well, even with the single motor. Even with the single motor, these cars are so incredibly safe. But I tell you, I'll give you a couple advice. When you drive in the snow or wet roads like this, slow is king. Okay? Drive slow. If you start speeding, forget about it. If you start speeding, then you really. My son was driving before, and he couldn't make the turn because it was going too fast. You have to keep going and then make a little U-turn. You have to go really, really slowly. So let's see. I'm going to get to much more remote areas. See if there's any snow on the ground. I'll keep filming for you.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how.